So I'm back, and y'all, I've changed my hair again, and pretty much I'm starting my microlock journey. So yeah. So this video today is all about my hair. It is not a wash and go. They are not mini twists. They are twists, but I've started my lock journey, and these are Microlocs, in case you were wondering. So yeah. I do not currently know how many locks I have in my head because I have not counted. Right now I've had these in maybe about 4 weeks now, and I have been working on my first retie. So I am currently right now doing a 3-point rotation on my hair because I was gonna do a 2-point, but it just turned into a 3, so next time might be a 4. I don't know. I'm gonna do more research and see if it'll cause any damage or make my locks look a little funky if I keep switching up like that. But last week I did my first retie, and I've only done the front. The back I have not finished at all. So as I was going, I was counting my locks, but I didn't finish. So yeah, and I just did a contact video, so I got contacts everywhere. Yeah, I was gonna document the day that I first established them with 2-strand twists, which, yeah, I guess I should have mentioned that. I did do 2-strand twists, in case you can't tell. So yeah. Originally with my hair, I was gonna film me doing my hair, like doing the twist on my hair, and I really want to make sure my grid looked good, so I just decided that was a bad idea because it was just going to extend the time it took me to do my hair. So in order for me to get these twists in my head, it literally took all weekend. Yeah, it took me maybe 20 something hours. I don't really have an exact estimate because I was doing it off and on. Once my arms got tired, I'd quit, go grab something to eat, go watch a TV show, come back and start back. So it literally took me Saturday and Sunday to get the twist in my hair. I will insert a video. This video really wasn't meant for anybody to see it. It was meant for me to see what my hair looked like in the front, back, sides. So I did not film those videos, and I did not film any videos to show y'all how my hair looked originally, but these are the first video I'm going to show you is the same day I finished putting them in my head, and y'all, they were so much longer than this. They've shrunk since then because I've already done my first wash on these on my hair, so it's pretty much back to its curly texture. I will say I did start my twist off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. So I did stretch my hair with the dryer, and then I put the twist in, and that was just to make the parting easier to do, because I can only imagine doing my hair while it's curly and trying to like rip through my hair to establish my grid. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you that video, and don't mind my room is like dirty, really dirty. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, and actually this video is a continuation of what I was just talking about earlier, but my camera died and months have passed by, and it's taking me months to finish this video, which is ridiculous. So pretty much what I was talking about is I've started Microlocs. As you can see, my hair is a completely different color, and I will do a video kind of doing an update on how my hair is doing now, but I really just want to finish that video and let y'all know what kind of happened with that process there, because I feel like I was rambling, and I'll probably be rambling now as well because I did write a script, write notes, everything, but I left my notebook at work. So stop shaking my camera, please. So I did start my Microlocs using the 2-strand twist method. It took me about 2 days to do it, but that was, the 2 days included me taking breaks, me sitting down watching TV, eating, leaving, coming back. So it wasn't a consistent 24 hours of me doing my hair. I will say I started, what did I start? I started in the front of my head just so I could get through it a little bit quicker, because if I would have started in the back, it would have taken me forever. And I did part my hair in a different sections, such as you see in like the other Sister Loc Microloc videos. So I had about, I want to say like 8 sections. I parted straight down the middle, and then I parted those sections in half as well, just to make it a little bit easier, and so I could actually like set the tone of my grid, because I do want to have a grid and I want to keep my grid. So I did spend more time on keeping my parts crispy than me just doing it. So that's really what took so long for me to do my hair, because had I just been eyeballing it and just doing it by feel, I probably could have finished my hair in a day, but that wasn't the case. I will say, when I did 2-strand twist my hair, I wish I would have went on and interlocked my roots. I've seen a couple of videos where people have done that. Say you go to a salon and you ask for Microlocs, most of the time they'll 2-strand twist your hair and then they'll interlock the root for you. And why I say that is because my first retie, it took me a month to finish that, because I wasn't prepared for how long it was taking me. Because pretty much when you do your first retie doing 2-strand twist, you have to re-establish your whole freaking head. And I don't think many people put that information out there, so I didn't know about that. I've heard it in maybe 1 or 2 videos, but that first session took so long, I kind of got discouraged and didn't even want to like finish it. I'd rather just go somewhere and let somebody else do it for me, but I didn't want to have a mess, and I kind of wanted my hair to look a certain way. And who are you going to trust besides yourself to do something the way that you want it done? So I did go ahead on and push through and finish my head. It took a month. So and y'all, just to clarify why it took me a month, I wasn't doing my hair consistently that whole month. It's like I would do it maybe Monday, and then I'll do it for an hour and get sick of doing it, and then I would stop, and it'd be like Thursday or Friday before I start back doing my hair. So this went on consistently throughout that whole month. So I wasn't just doing my hair every single day out that month. It didn't take that long. It probably would have taken me like maybe a week or less to finish my hair, and that's including me going to work and, you know, having a life. But it just so happened to have taken me a month just to kind of to get it done. Yeah, I did have a lot of unraveling. The back of my hair pretty much was gone until I did my first retie, and I had to reestablish it. And let me tell you, even for my second retie, the back was gone. It was gone. So it came to a point where I just had to plait that hair and interlock it as far down as I could. So pretty much the back of my head is just interlocked all the way, because it just kept unraveling. And once I finally just took the time to interlock the whole thing and plait the bottom, I haven't had too many issues with it. So yeah, my back is still there. My edges kept coming unraveled. At this point, if they come unraveled again, I'm just gonna leave it how it is, because I don't care. Will you stop? What? So yeah, but I finally think I've gotten those under control too. Took me a while to get that under control. My hair has finally stopped unraveling. I have some pieces that have unraveled, but it came to a point where I just manipulate my hair to a point where it just knots up just to keep it from unraveling, because I'm not finna deal with that. I dealt with it for 2 months. I'm not doing that. I'm not. And I'm kind of afraid to wash my hair, but my hair unraveling was majority my fault, because as you can see, I have hair color in my hair. I bleached my hair, and for me to get my hair this color, it really wasn't this color. This is faded. I bleached it maybe 2 times, so I had to wash my hair twice, and then I wanted to color a ginger color. That didn't come out right. I wanted to tone it. That didn't come out right. I washed my hair almost 6 times. Almost 6 times in a weekend. So of course my hair was gonna unravel. It was only twist. So that was kind of my fault. It wasn't really my hair. I don't know. I will say so far I'm enjoying the process. I'm enjoying the hair freedom. My reties aren't as bad now that I finally have my hair established, and majority of my hair is interlock, but like I said, I'm gonna make a video kind of updated, and I kind of started rambling into like my updated version of my hair, which I wasn't trying to do. So but yeah, those videos that I showed earlier, which I don't think I showed the day after, but the clip I'm gonna show you now is pretty much day 2, the day after I finished my hair. It was all straight stringy. That video I showed you is probably piss poor, because at that moment I didn't think to get a good video what my hair was looking like right after I'd done it, and my room looked a mess. So day 2 is like just a snippet, and I'm gonna slow it down for y'all so y'all can kind of see what's going on, because still not thinking, even though I wanted to document my hair and my hair journey pretty much with these Microlocs, but I wasn't thinking to continue doing that early on. I don't know, I be forgetting. So yeah, I'm gonna slow this clip down. This is me the day after I finished my hair, and then I got to work. My hair was just long and just looked all super stretched, and I was like, you know what, I don't think I like this. Let me wet my ends to get my curls back. So that is what my hair looked like with the crispy parts, and all I did was like dampen the ends of my hair just so it would curl back up, and I really did enjoy how my hair looked like that. So yeah, and then eventually when I wash my hair looks like a loose natural still. So yeah, that's pretty much how that went. And I will give y'all an updated video, so if you have any questions regarding my hair or some of the things I did that I forgot to mention, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to put that in the next video. I didn't use any products on my hair, in case I didn't mention that. When I did my starting it off, I didn't put any products in my hair. I blew my hair out. I washed it with a really clarifying shampoo. I didn't really condition it. I did a deep conditioner, but at the same time, I really didn't keep it in my head. I don't feel like long enough for it to do anything, because I wanted my hair to not have so much slip when I was doing it. But I did blow it out as straight as I could, just so I could do my parts really clean, and that definitely helped the process a whole lot. So if you're thinking about starting off your Microlocs, do it on stretch hair. You'll be able to see better. You'll be able to kind of gauge how they're, well, I take that back, because you can't really gauge, because your hair does swell when it gets wet if you're a natural. So just keep in mind that if you do it when it's stretched, your hair is gonna puff up once you have that first wash day. Y'all, this dog. So yeah, but like I said, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you have any questions or anything that I didn't cover in this video. I'm sorry it took so long for me to do it, because I'm pretty much coming up on month 3 of me having my hair like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.